Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to change a watch face on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, as a first step, I will show you how to change the watch face directly on your watch. For that, hold your finger on the screen until you will see this menu appear. Right here you'd be able to see some previous watch faces or edit the current one by clicking on this button Edit. You can choose the color of background by swiping this digital crown like this, and also you can turn on or turn off the background. To save the changes, double click on the digital crown. Now, if you want to add your photo as a watch face, you would need to go on your current watch face, click on the digital crown, and scroll down until you will see this application Photos. Click on it, and right here choose the photo that you want to use as your watch face. For example, I will choose this one and click on this button Share right here. Scroll down and click Create Watch Face. You can choose Kaleidoscope or Photos. I will choose the second one. And now you can see this photo as my watch face. This is cool, isn't it? Now, as a second step, I will show you how to add new watch faces directly on your watch. For that, hold your finger on your current watch face and swipe to the left until you will see this new tab. Click on this plus, and right here you'd be able to see a lot of opportunities as your new watch face. Also, I have found some cool Nike watch faces. Let's find them right here. And here is it, how it looks. Click on this Nike tab, and right here you'd be able to choose any watch face from the Nike choice. For example, I like this one. Click on Add, and here is it. Double click on the digital crown and click on it one more time. And now you have this cool Nike watch face on your watch. And also, you can do all of this on your phone in the Watch application. When you open this app, you can see on this homepage your watch faces and also edit them by clicking on this button. Right here, by clicking on this red minus, you can delete a watch face, or by holding these three lines, you can change the queue position. And if you want to add a new watch face, right here, click on this button, Face Gallery, and you'd be able to choose from ton of options your new watch face. For example, I like this one. Simply click on it, choose the color if there is an option, and click Add. And now you can see that the watch face is now on my watch. And the last thing that I will show you today is how to set your custom photo as a watch face. For that, stay on this tab Face Gallery and scroll down until you will see watch faces, which suggests you to choose a photo as your watch face. Here is it. Right here you can choose if you want to add a basic photo or portraits, which will cut out the person from the photo and put it on mono background, which looks like this. I would choose the basic photo, for example, and right here you can choose an album from which the photo will be shown, or photos. For example, choose any photo. For example, this one, click Add, and here is it. Now this one photo will be shown on your watch as a watch face. If you click on this button Add, now you can see that the watch face on my watch changed immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to customize and change the watch faces on your Apple Watch Series 9. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.